If you want to perform a deep clean on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to open the security app, which is over here by default, or you can also find it in the app drawer as well. Once you go to the security app, you should be able to find the deep clean option over here. So if you tap on it, you should be able to find suggestions of what you can do in order to free up some space. So for example, we can delete big files, we can clear up data, uninstall apps that you probably didn't use at all, and so on and so forth. So in my case, I'm gonna choose, for example, delete installation packages. Of course, we can select what exactly we want to remove. It's not like we agree to remove everything, but let's say I'm gonna select all of these, and then I can press delete selected APK files and then press OK. So this is how we can perform a deep clean on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!